Today we are looking at an interesting machine that I've been testing out. I was browsing online and I came across the website formcutter.co.za, who sells a protective form cutting machine called the am.co.za V-Auto form cutting machine. I ordered the machine online from formcutter.co.za and it arrived very quickly. Let's find out more about the machine and how it works. The form cutting machine lets you quickly and easily cut protection, privacy and printable forms for your portable devices. Using Wi-Fi, the form cutter accesses a cloud device library that contains templates for multiple devices from over 240 brands. Since these templates are stored online in the cloud, as new devices are released, the template database can grow and you have access to them. The library contains templates for a range of different devices such as smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, health monitor watches, gamepads, cameras, ebooks, action cameras and more. Simply put, any device under 120 by 180 millimeters with a screen or flat surface that you would like to protect would probably be available in this comprehensive device library. The form cutting machine comes with a free year of unlimited access to the form library, and after this, if you purchase 1,000 or more protective form sheets from am.co.za, you receive a complimentary year's access, which saves you 1,000 rands. The machine can be used with a wide range of screen protective forms for a range of different purposes. There is a clear, matte, blue screen, privacy and printable screen protective form, all for sale via the Form Cutter website. In the box you will find the form cutting machine, an anti-slip pad, a squeegee, a stylus, a set of blades, a user manual, a power cable, and a cloth to clean your phone. The machine is a DIY machine and some setup is required. If you do need help, then a technician and a call-out fee can be arranged. The machine has an adjustable blade unit which is useful for different thicknesses of forms. This unit holds the blade and lets you choose how far out the blade goes by turning it. The machine is plugged in with the power cable on the rear and then turned on with the power button located on the front. The machine does not require a computer to operate, as all operations are done via the large touchscreen and the on-screen keyboard using the stylus or your finger. Once the machine is powered on, you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, then tap on Product and either register or log in to the form library. I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a really badly damaged screen protector after years of use and abuse. So I'm going to make a new screen protector to give this device a new life. To cut a screen protector, you first need to insert a piece of foam, which is done by placing the foam in the foam tray and the machine will roll the foam in. Then, using the touchscreen, select the appropriate product category, of which there are many. Then browse and select the make and the model. You can either scroll or search for your model that you are making a screen protector for. Once you have selected the model, there are different options depending on your region and what type of foam you are using. Now you are ready to tap on cut and the machine will cut out the screen protector for your selected device. Depending on the size and type of screen protector, you are looking at around 1 to 3 minutes per cut. Once the form cutter is done cutting out the screen protector, it is ready to be applied to your device. First, remove your old screen protector. Then use the anti-slip pad to keep your device from moving around and give your screen a good clean. I use some hand sanitizer for this. Remove the cutout screen protector from the sheet of foam and place it over the display and make sure it is lined up. Then, lift the back end and slowly remove the peel and use the squeegee to apply the screen protector as you remove any bubbles. Lastly, don't forget to remove the outer layer. The screen protector is now applied. I made some screen protectors for my smartwatch and the process was quick and easy. I was able to get 6 screen protectors from one sheet, which means I have loads of spares should I need it. The whole process from setup to a successfully applied screen protector was really quick and easy. With this machine, there is no need to have screen protectors lined in your shop, when you can simply make whatever your customers require. The machine retails for around 11,000 Rand and a pack of 50 sheets of screen protector films ranges from around 800 Rand to 3,000 Rand. I have a pack of 50 clear screen protectors which works out to around 16 Rand 75 each. The machine does not need a computer to operate as all the templates are accessible via the cloud and the machine is operated via the touchscreen. So all one needs to operate is the machine, film, Wi-Fi and power, and you can cut and sell your own screen protectors, making this machine perfect for someone looking to run a business. I wanted to see what others thought of the machine, so I offered some people I know a free screen protector. Here are some of their thoughts and reactions. So this is my dad's phone, and as you can see over there, and also a little bit further down, the screen protector is broken. So we are going to use the am.co.za foam cutter to make a new screen protector. So first we're going to put the foam in. Okay, then we're going to select your phone. I can use the stylus. It is a Redmi Note 9S. Okay, we've selected the phone. It is the standard one. Let's see. Okay, I think it's this one. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna click cut. Now watch this. Check this. It's gonna cut out the screen protector for you. Check this out. Are you happy that you get in a new screen protector?
Thank you. That'll be very cool. Thank you very much.
Nearly done. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to apply it. So we're going to come over here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove your old screen protector first. Sure. It's quite a... Oh, you had like 2 on here, it looks like. Okay, at least your screen... Check this thing. Okay, let's give this a clean. Okay, now here we got the screen protector. So we're gonna remove it like that. Apply it like this, watch this. Wait, first just pop that little thing out. What do you think of that?
Thank you very much.
Nice, eh?
Looks cool, brand as good as new.
Wait, I actually think this layer comes off. Yeah, I was right. That top layer comes off. And that's the actual screen protector. And that's done. Brand new screen protector. No cracks, no chips. And very cheap, very quick to do this.
Took about 2-3 minutes. It was
Yeah,
amazing.
here we go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Bye-bye. Hey Josh, remember the other day I bumped into you and I said, let me see your phone? So let's see your phone. Okay, you've got a broken screen protector. So this over here, come check this out. This is the am.co.za foam cutter machine, which lets you cut your own screen protectors at home. So I'm going to make one for your phone. So firstly, we select over here product and make sure we are logged in. Okay, check this out. So there's a whole lot of categories that you can choose from. So we're going to choose mobile, and yours is a Samsung, right?
Yes.
Okay, which phone have you got?
This is Samsung Galaxy A30s.
A30s, okay. Check this out. There's a whole lot of phones there and you can just choose. A30s, you said?
Yes.
You sure, eh? Okay, this is the tricky part, is to make sure you get the right one. I assume it's just the standard one. Okay, now check this out. So we're going to hit... first we must put the foam in. I forgot. Nearly forgot that. That would have been stupid. Okay, so we're just going to put the foam over here. Are you excited?
Very.
No more broken screen protector for you in a second. So check this. We're going to hit cut. And now it's going to cut you a screen protector. So the blade is over there. Okay, check it out. It's done. Took like a minute.
Wow, it's the exact shape.
Okay, now let's apply it. Okay, we can come over here. Okay, so first we're going to remove your broken screen protector.
Peel a bit, so I'm not going to get a good grip.
Jeez, it really is broken. Ooh. Okay, but it's good you're...
Great, so it held. This is the thing that cracked and not the screen.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Oh, flip.
Oh, there's your dog.
It was amazing.
Okay, we're just going to
It was a
clean
good...
it.
So it was a good
No,
buy.
it saved you. If you didn't have
Saved
that on,
me.
your screen would have broken and you would have had to pay a few $1,000 for a new screen. And now I'm giving you a screen protector that probably cost around 16 Rand for the actual foam for this phone, and the machine's about 11,000 Rand. Okay, so we're gonna place your phone on the anti-slip pad and check this out. So we can just take this off here, the screen protector. I'm gonna put it on like this. Check that out. What do you think?
Sure. Jeez, you've done it to precision, hey?
You happy?
Yeah. Gee.
Now I made your screen protector at home. Very quick and easy and cheap.
Fantastic.
Jesse, how's it? This is the am.co.za foam cutting machine, and it lets you cut your own screen protectors at home, like I've been making these for my S21 Ultra. So what device would you like to make it for? Come check this out. So you've got mobile, tablets, watch, e-cigarettes, computers, gaming machines, POS. There's a whole lot of different things. And what's cool with this device is, you buy this device, you buy the foam, and you can, if you wanted to start a business, you can literally, cut screen protectors for people. Because you used to work at Vodacom, and screen protectors are quite expensive. Hey, they're like, sometimes like 150 Rand a screen protector.
I think it was more than that, 299.
More than that. So imagine you had one of these machines.
Yeah.
You could literally, a thing of foam like this costs about 16 rands, and you could charge it. How much would you sell this for? Like 50 rands once you make one for someone? Even 60 rands, 70 rands?
Well, never used to make them. We used to buy them, and what used to happen is we just sell them for profit. That's all Vodacom does. I mean, it's not a big profit, but it's margins that you get in the store. I think they were going for like $2.99 at the time when I was working there, and that kind of thing. But this is interesting. So let's try.
Cool. Let me show you. So let's make you a screen protector. What phone have you got?
Got a Huawei P30 Lite.
Okay. Huawei.
I don't know if it'll come with a new edition or just a normal.
No, this uses the internet, so it uses the internet. It can find what device you have, and you get a free. You have access to this, and then if you do buy foam at a later stage, you get more access. Which one is it?
P30.
I can also search, but let's just do it like this. Okay.
P30 Lite. There we go.
P30 Lite. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they're all basically the same, so I would just go for the standard one, which is this one. Because they all have the same camera design. Sometimes you notice that they are different. Okay, so let's put the foam in.
Yeah, and there's only one camera there, so it's white.
Yeah. Okay, and let's hit cut. There it goes.
That's cool. And what type of film is it, do you know?
This is a clear foam.
A clear film. Okay.
Yeah, check here. This is a clear foam, but they've got different kinds of foam that you can get from their website.
So you can do tempered glass with this thing as well, or not?
I don't think so, but there's different kinds of foam that you get, and you can check on their site, for the different kinds, depending if you want like a frosted one or you want one for the back. But this is just a standard clear one, which is very cool.
Oh wow. Wow.
You impressed, eh?
Yeah, I am impressed. This is cool. I didn't know this is how they make them.
And there we go.
That makes sense.
It's done.
I thought it was like a big machine from China.
Check this out. Well, this is a Chinese machine, I guess.
I guess.
There, so there's your foam. You can see the.
So you just take it out when you want to use it.
Yeah. So but when you take it out, you must take that whole thing. Can you see there with that back on it as well?
Yeah.
I made a mistake in the beginning and I didn't take it out correctly. So once you take that out, then you put it on the phone, you remove the back and then you you sort it. So this is
okay, nice. Yeah.
Nice, quick and easy and cheap.
Kind of does look like a tempered glass though.
No, it's not a tempered.
That's very cool.
But it's very strong.
Yeah.
Cool. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Visit www.formcutter.co.za to purchase the am.co.za V-Auto foam cutter machine. Click the link in the description for more information.